Remove the Torx bolt by turning it counterclockwise.
This bolt is supposed to be a T30. Someone has replaced the bolt on this particular vehicle to a flathead.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
Try to pull in a controlled manner when removing the housing from the vehicle.
Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Remove the second bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.
You want to put this top part in first and then pivot it into place.
You may need to wiggle the housing while you push to get it back in position. If you're having trouble, try inserting it at an alternate angle. It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Replace the Torx bolt by turning it clockwise.
We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Make sure the bulb housing is secure.